Use new fonts and colors to jazz up your text. To start, select what you want to change. A mini toolbar will appear with some quick formatting options. You can make your changes here or on the ribbon. As you choose a different font, Office shows you a preview of what your text will look like. It also remembers your recently used fonts. After changing the font, make the text bold, italicized, or underlined. To change the font size, choose the down arrow. There are also the Increase Font Size or Decrease Font Size buttons. To make your text really pop, you can change the color. Highlight text, and depending on the app you're in, you can even add text effects or shadows. And if you need even more options, choose the arrow in the font group.